I totally believe a simple touch can make your home warm and welcoming. Presenting Good Melts, a wax melting kit. This kit comes with a warmer and scented wax melts. This elegant warmer has been handcrafted by ceramic artisans. It ensures safety and convenience. This beautiful aromatic kit is part of my home decor, as each piece is unique and doubles up as a timeless piece of decor in your home. So shop and add a perfect touch to your home now.